Great shot.
Thank you. Hey, Jeet, Ani.
Rohan,
Hi.
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 Where the hell are you guys? You don't come for net practice anymore?
It was okay till the 12th standard. Now either you do graduation or play cricket.
Not necessary. I'm doing both.
That's what surprises us.
Why are you surprised? Even I'm doing my IT graduation, but I also enjoy playing cricket.
How do you manage both?
I play cricket in the morning and go to St. Angela's Computer Education in the afternoon.
Oh, I see. So you are taking a diploma.
No, a degree from an university. Look, I have two choices. Either I become Sachin Tendulkar or Narayan Murthy. You can do the same.
That's great. When is the net practice tomorrow?
Come now.
After the 12th, you can also join St. Angelo's Computer Education for an IT degree from a renowned university and achieve a specific career rather than a generic degree. St. Angelo's Computer Education, creating global careers.
Go ahead. She is my daughter.
Hi, I'm Radhika. Hi, I'm also Radhika. I'm a Taurian. I'm a Taurian too. I'm single. So am I. I'm an IT graduate. I'm a commerce graduate. I'm you. I'm also you. Confused.
But how?
Do your graduation from a normal college and simultaneously take an IT degree from St. Angelo's Computer Education.
Degree or diploma?
Degree from an university.
After the 12th, you can also join St. Angelo's Computer Education for an IT degree from a renowned university and achieve a specific career rather than a generic degree. St. Angelo's Computer Education, creating global careers.
Bye, Dad.
Hey, come here.
Dad,
Where are you going?
for my college admission.
What have you decided to do?
Commerce graduate.
Why don't you go for dual graduation?
Don't
Why
do
not?
it. Dad, after 12th, I wasted 5 years of my life for the same.
Vaibhav, that is history now.
What do you mean?
With St. Angelo's Computer Education, he can be a dual graduate in 3 years, easily.
How come?
Simple. Do your graduation from a normal college and simultaneously get an IT degree from St. Angelo's Computer Education.
Dad, not a degree, diploma.
Degree from an university.
Dad, this is not fair.
After the 12th, you can also join St. Angelo's Computer Education for an IT degree from a renowned university and achieve a specific career rather than a generic degree. St. Angelo's Computer Education, creating global.
You look very happy, Joshi. Huh?
Not happy, my daughter is in love.
So why are you laughing then?
I found the guy a little dumb. So I told him, complete your graduation and then think about my daughter.
Now what?
That idiot tells me, forget graduation. In 3 years, I will be a double graduate. Why are you laughing?
He is not an idiot, Joshi. You are. With St. Angelo's Computer Education, it's very easy to become a double graduate in 3 years. You do your graduation from a normal college and simultaneously take a computer degree from St. Angelo's Computer Education.
Diploma.
No, degree from an university.
Oh my God.
Arey, congrats, Joshi. You got an intelligent son-in-law.
After the 12th, you can also join St. Angelo's Computer Education for an IT degree from a renowned university. St. Angelo's Computer Education, creating